Hi, hello, namaste.
We are Radhika and Rohit, and we are back with an exciting episode of Tejas, taking you through the entrepreneurial journeys of Aurangabad, our beloved Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This is an initiative by NSBT.
Finally, you got entrepreneurial right.
Yeah, this time.
Okay, great. So, hi everyone. Today, we are going to tell you another story, which is very, very exciting, very interesting, and very different. See, almost 2 decades ago, किसी ने यह सोचा नहीं था कि औरंगाबाद छत्रपति संभाजी नगर would be known for IT. IT industry was almost absent over there, and within such circumstances, we had ignited minds, which are currently we are going to take interview of. So they came together, फिर साथी मिलते गए, कारवा बनता गया, and thus Expert Solutions was born. So to tell the story today, we have along with us Mr. Prashant Deshpande and Medha ma'am, who will take us through the journey of how Expert became Expert.
So let's welcome them both on our podcast. Sir and Madam, a warm welcome to you to our podcast series.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you, Rohit. It's exciting.
Yeah. We are all like, both of us are excited to share this. Yeah, actually overwhelmed.
That's so great.
Good to know that.
And finally, we caught hold of each other.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, but
No.
it's been hectic travel.
No, we wouldn't have left you anyway.
You said yes. The day you said it, we were like, we are going. Okay, start.
Yes.
So to start with, sir, I would like to know from you. So a simple boy, Prashant, who is from core Marathwada region, how he became an expert in computer solutions.
Very interesting question. As you are aware, I was born in Nagpur, but brought up in Aurangabad. Till 12th, my education was in Saraswati Bhuvan High School. I was an ordinary student, always in last 10. But luckily, I did good in 12th, got into engineering. So went to Government Engineering College. I did my B in Mechanical Engineering. I had got admission in COEP in electronics, but my father said, "You are very notorious, so you should be in front of my eyes." So he made me, do in Aurangabad. After doing BE Mechanical, I went to Mumbai for pursuing MMS, which is Master of Management Studies from Wellinger Institute. Because I am a mechanical engineer, I thought operations will be a good choice for me. So I did MMS in operations. And out of campus recruitment, I appeared for 5. I got in all 5. I worked with Godrej.
Wow.
Because Godrej was like, manufacturing conglomerate. And my first job was in their plant number 1, which was supplying steel to entire Godrej.
Oh.
So I was handling steel day in, day out for almost 2 years. I was responsible for that. And when I was doing that, I got interested in computer science because steel used to come in coil forms.
Right.
Rohit, you will know it well.
Absolutely.
And it had 3-4 variables. One was the thickness, then width and the tonnage. And to get right coil from the coil yard, it used to be very difficult.
Right.
And first, we used to get requirement from all plants in terms of I want to manufacture 1,000 bookcases, 1,000 store wheels, 1,000 refrigerators, 1,000 forklift trucks. So you explore that, you calculate the sheet requirement, steel requirement, then see which coil I can use, make a slitting combination, slit it, cut to length, and then use it. And I was doing all that manually. And I said, I am a mechanical engineer, I have done MBA, and I am doing this, I am spending every month at least 4 days only in calculation. So I am not made for that. Then I went to computer department, IS department they call. And there was a guy called Venkatesh who was from IIT, IIM Calcutta. And he was like me, he was a management trainee working for Godrej. So we developed a software. It took about 3 to 4 months in Fox Pro. And we took a test And then it saved lot of money for Godrej. So we at that time I got budget of 3 lakh rupees to buy new computers.
Wow.
And that too in my maybe 8 months of my job.
That's great.
So I was fascinated. I said, this is something very unique. Then we developed some job shop scheduling software. You know how important it is. It was used in Lotus 123.
My
At
God.
that time, Excel was not there.
Absolutely. Today, even anybody if gives this name Lotus, I am willing to give
Yeah.
them almost 1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So that was my introduction to computers. When I was doing BE mechanical, the first computer was bought in government engineering college. It was kept in a room, and I literally saw it 10 feet away. There was lock and key, so we were just shown that this is monitor, this is CPU, this is
Oh.
keyboard. There was no mouse at that point in time.
Exclusive.
To that, I wanted to get into entrepreneurship. That was pretty clear. Me and my cousin brother. He is a biomedical engineer, so we wanted to manufacture medical equipments. And the first company which we had formed was Mediate Systems.
Okay.
Yeah. We bought a plot in Waluj industrial area, K27, I still remember that.
Okay.
And so, I mean, you think, multiple strategies come in your mind. So I said, when you go for manufacturing, there is lot of gestation period. It is not easy because
Yeah.
coming from a background where father is professor of sociology, mother is a primary school teacher, we had no business. बी पण नव्हता तेव्हा म्हणजे literally. So whatever came into our mind, we formed those strategies. So I said I'll leave Godrej and I'll join a software company so that we can start a side business in software consulting. So I joined Mastech. I worked with Mastech for about 6 months and then resigned from there and came to Aurangabad. We prepared a project report for Mediate, went to Devgiri Bank. They took a lot of time. Then they asked collateral, 35 lakh worth of loan we had asked. And they said, no, without collateral we can't. Then already I had started some software consulting. So that's how, the computer, I got into computer field.
Amazing.
Okay.
So September 1990, distinctly, I came to Aurangabad in March 1990. Till September 1990 साच पडत होतो काय करायचं, Mediateचं प्रपोजल हे सगळं. And then I realized that there is some possibility that we can do business in computer and simultaneously we will pursue this manufacturing. So name of first company was Expert Computer Systems.
Okay.
आणि टॅगलाईन होती टोटल कम्प्युटर सोल्युशन्स.
आणि याच्यात म्हणजे मला एक गोष्ट इथे ऍड करावीशी वाटते. लाईक प्रशांत सेड ना की आय वॉज अ मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर अँड वॉट आय वॉज लाईक आय वॉजंट रिअली हॅपी विथ वॉट द थिंग्स दॅट आय वॉज डुईंग की ते स्टील साठी वगैरे वगैरे. तर हे माझं काम नव्हतं. तर तो आम्हाला नेहमी म्हणजे आय रिमेंबर लाईक सिन्स आवर अर्ली डेज इन बिझनेस ही यूज टू टेल लाईक इफ यू आर अ मॅनेजर यू शुड whatever comes to you, like whatever work comes to you, you have to think की मी नाही करणार आहे, हे कोण करेल हे काम,
Correct.
माझ्याशिवाय हे कोण करेल, मला नाही करायचं, मी हे कोणाला ऑफलोड करू शकतो. दिस इज वन मंत्रा दॅट ही टॉट ऑल ऑफ अस. लाईक इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी अ गुड मॅनेजर, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मंत्राज दॅट यू नीड टू लर्न. लाईक असे खूप स्टेटमेंट्स आहेत त्याचे जे आम्ही असे लक्षात ठेवतो. त्याच्यापैकी हा एक.
आज आम्ही बरेच घेऊन जाणार.
So that's how mechanical to computer मध्ये आलो.
Okay. Okay. And ma'am, तुम्ही पण I recently know that you did an MA and
MA? नाही, मास्टर्स.
Masters
in computer science.
computer science.
She is qualified computer engineer. I am non-qualified computer engineer. तिने
Yeah.
computers केलं गव्हर्नमेंट इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज मधनच.
Okay.
आणि then I did my masters at the age of 40.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is what I know.
Yeah,
My
That-
God.
yeah, I did my masters because basically in the initial period of my I'll say career, in our business, I was more into business development, marketing,
Mhm.
and all sorts of things. But I
Training
always,
also.
yeah, and training. But once my elder daughter Radhika asked me, like, Mom, you are a computer engineer, but you're not loyal to your core field.
Hmm.
That's not right. And that triggered something
Wow.
in me, and I also wanted to return back to the computer science field in some way or the other. So it was at that time that I thought that doing a master's would be the right way to understand what's going on now, because I completed my degree in 93, computer science
Oh.
engineering in 93, and this was about 2012. So I was sure that there were so many things that had changed over this time, and going for that work without any formal training wouldn't be a right thing to do.
Mhm.
So hence the masters that I did.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think that was the turning point in whatever I could do afterwards.
That's so great. And at the age of 40 तुम्ही मास्टर्स केलं म्हणजे
Yeah.
मी आणि
गोल्ड
माझे
मेडलिस्ट होती.
वाव that's great.
Yeah. So I
Fantastic.
was asked by my interviewers that will you not feel threatened by the young people who will be around you, because I remember my group of friends was like, one was 22 years old, another one was 25, 30. So I said I won't feel threatened because I am clear in my mind की मला best level ला काम करायचं आहे. आणि yeah, that was it. So it was not a big deal to study basically. And then I had my daughters asking me like, केला का अभ्यास, like they had this
त्या तुमच्या
tool to
आईच्या
take, get that revenge. आणि केला का अभ्यास तू, पेपर कसा दिला, सगळं आलं की नाही, केलं
रोल रिव्हर्सल झाल्याने तुमच्याकडे
तुझ्याकडे.
दे गॉट देअर चान्स टू आस्क
Yeah,
केला का अभ्यास तुझा?
Absolutely.
That's so amazing. म्हणजे मी आणि माझे काही मित्र वी स्टील आर ऑलवेज टॉकिंग डे इन डे आउट की हाऊ टू रिटायर एट 40. You were the one to get a degree at the age of 40.
That too a gold
That is a big embarrassment for all of us. But that's such a great story. And I mean, one takeaway is that yes, being loyal to the field and then getting yourself updated
Great.
with the latest know-how of what is running, which is key for any essential business. आणि म्हणजे जस्ट फॉलोइंग अप विथ दॅट आय ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू आस्क यू की हा सगळा प्रवास तुम्ही सोबत केला, सोबत सुरू केला, अँड यू आर हिअर ॲट अगेन आय एम शुअर यू डोंट स्टॉप हिअर, यू हॅव मेनी मोर थिंग्स इन युअर माइंड.
Yeah.
But I mean, you did it professionally as well as you are a couple and a couple that generation of ours look up to.
Yeah.
That how to really take things forward. So how was this dual experience? This is tricky. It's tricky.
You want
Yeah, I think 1990 we started. 92 we met, and we got married in 93.
Yeah,
So
correct.
year is correct. And my father was always behind her, saying that you both should not be in one profession, because you need steady income and business is not like steady.
Yeah, yeah.
So you should do something different. And I was hell-bent that she's a computer engineer, she's qualified, and we have our own business. आपला स्वतःचा बिझनेस असताना तिने दुसरीकडे काय करायचं? त्याच्यावर खूप वाद व्हायचे, पण फायनली आय वन.
आणि I think it has been a great journey. Like I think that we complement each other. आणि सुरुवातीपासूनच म्हणजे घरचा बिझनेस आहे, सो लोकांची गरज असायचीच, म्हणजे टू डू देयर वर सो मेनी डिफरंट टास्क्स दॅट
Right.
हॅड नीड टू बी डन. सो आय रिमेंबर लाईक वेरेवर की अरे ट्रेनिंग डिव्हिजन मध्ये आता वी नीड टू मेक शुअर दॅट इट गोज अप, काहीतरी करायला पाहिजे. सो आय वॉज देअर. मग त्याच्यानंतर ट्रेनिंग डिव्हिजन नंतर आम्ही युएसला शिफ्ट झालो 2 वर्षांसाठी टू ओपन अप अ ब्रांच देअर. सो ही आस्क्ड मी लाईक यू आर गुड ॲट टॉकिंग, यू लव्ह टॉकिंग टू पीपल, सो वुड यू माइंड हँडलिंग द बिझनेस डेव्हलपमेंट देअर? आय सेड लेट्स ट्राय दॅट. सो जसं जसं जिथे जिथे नीड होती तसं तसं आम्ही करत गेलो. अँड आय थिंक दॅट इज हाऊ
जिथे कमी तिथे आम्ही.
was the
Mantra.
thing, mantra. Yeah, was the mantra. So I think it has been a roller coaster ride though. I always tell him
आणि
that,
ती
you know,
म्हणाली की कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी आहे तो आय एम बॉर्न रिस्क टेकर म्हणजे मला कधीच भीती नाही वाटत आणि
I'm exactly opposite.
एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट सो you get to see the other side also.
Right.
Even my partners, we came together. I thought that he's a good partner, and I convinced, and they got. So my cousin Praveen, then Sachin came in '96. Then Mukund came in 2004. Ajay was there for some period. So all of them had some different capabilities,
Right.
unique,
Right.
and which were always complementary. So I think you complement each other. You are not competitors, you are partners. So
Right.
that you have to remember. Sometimes people forget that, and then there, that unhealthy competition starts.
Absolutely.
आणि याच्यामध्ये मला लाईक ही मेन्शन ट्रस्ट सो आय रिमेंबर लाईक वेन वी वर टू गेट मॅरिड ही टुक मी टू द ऑफिस टू आवर ऑफिस इन अर्थ कॉम्प्लेक्स इट्स नियर दी ओल्ड
Tapne terrace. Tapne terrace.
Ah, yes.
हेड ऑफिस तिथे सो इट वॉज ऑन दी मेझनाईन फ्लोर जस्ट 100
100
square
square
feet
feet.
of
आय रिमेंबर दॅट ऑफिस मी तुमच्याकडे तिथे ऑटोकॅड शिकलो.
हा.
seriously
येस आय बीन देअर.
And he took me to that office. So it was one computer, one programmer, Prashant, on the mezzanine floor, 100 square feet. And I was a 21-year-old girl. And now when I retrospectively, when I look at that and when I look at today's girls, how they think while getting married and all, I think I never had any questions in my mind. म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह नो क्वेश्चन्स आणि म्हणजे असं काही खूप जाणून बुजून ट्रस्ट केला का असंही काही नाही ओके बट आय थिंक इग्नोरन्स इज ब्लिस लाईक
definitely.
True, true.
आणि खूप जास्ती अतिविचार करण्याची काही गरज नसते सो आय थिंक आय मेड द राईट डिसिजन व्हॉट
That is completely evident and it has set up a great example. म्हणजे there are many things which are stereotypes and you have defied them. First one, as you just explained, that a couple working in the same business, असं म्हटलं जातं, it can never be successful, and you have defied that. And secondly, sir, you talked about partnerships.
Yeah.
So again, it is always said that partnerships never work.
Correct.
You don't
And
work.
then this business is an epitome of partnership.
I agree.
कधीही पार्टनरशिप म्हटल्यावर माझ्या डोक्यात तर पहिलं नाव आहे आणि जस्ट लाईक
हो.
मी इवन एनी अदर पीपल वुड ऑल्सो लुक फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स ओनली एक्सपर्ट सोल्युशन्स. सो you not only made an exception to the rule, but the exception itself became a rule. So
Okay.
how did you manage this? This is very interesting.
Yeah, I think I was initiator because I founded the company. But the credit goes to other partners also because by nature, as I told you, I am a risk taker and I was pretty aggressive also. I mean, I was assertive, not aggressive. I mean, so somebody has to take a lead role, and all the partners were gracious enough to give me that opportunity all along. And obviously we worked as a team, so it's a flat organization. I never wanted me to be named as managing director or CEO. So for very long period I had no designation. But Mukund, he was involved with this from inception in thought process, though he was working for Bajaj Auto. 1998 onwards we started thinking that how do we do things differently, because we thought we are stuck up in Aurangabad, so we
Right.
need to do something differently. And in those brainstorming sessions Mukund used to be there. So he suggested me that Prashant, for outside world it is important they have to know one leader. They cannot talk to multiple people, so we had to do this, and others also agreed to that. So I think from there that leadership designation came to me.
It's a big thing.
Yeah, it is a big thing for others
For
because they are equally or they are
Absolutely.
more capable than me, in many areas. But for a bigger cause, everybody agreed that we need to work together. We complement each other, and I think when I look back, barring few difference of opinion in boardrooms, I think we never had very bad experience of each other. So I think, and trust, so I'll go back to that trust. So unconditional trust. म्हणजे her father trusted me because I had no money actually. But he didn't ask me how much you are earning. And that was just third year of my business. So I was earning about 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees per month. She never asked me what is the money which will come home. Our
And
parents
his
never asked
father
me.
was
Yeah.
always supportive. His
Supportive.
father and his uncle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Both were
They were
absolutely
like,
supportive.
you, प्रशांत कुठलाही चेक बाउन्स नाही व्हायला पाहिजे.
Wow.
Was his
Absolutely.
Such a fundamental principle.
fundamental principle.
Parents were
Yeah.
fortunate.
Right.
So he will do anything. I mean, he didn't have money, but he'll go to his friends, take money on loan, but ensure that no check is bounced. Same with my uncle. I mean, both of them are. They taught us that you need to be absolutely 100% honest and loyal. Absolutely. And so everybody trusted. Actually,
Right.
म्हणजे when I look back, I think somebody made this. मुकुंद म्हणाला काय कोणतरी आमच्यापैकी की we are blue-eyed boys of औरंगाबाद.
Yeah,
That's
everybody
what-
says that, yes.
त्यावेळेस म्हणजे अगदी सगळेजण म्हणजे in 1999 we bought our own office in Sarda Arcade on
Right.
this station road. So for inauguration, 200 or 300 people came.
Wow.
Wow.
At that
And
time.
it was like, just people coming. That's it. That was love we got just in 8 or 9 years. So, and after that, so there is no looking back, I think,
But
That's
this-
fantastic.
Yeah,
And
this
one thing that we would also like to mention is that always whenever we met any one of you, जे तुम्ही असाल, मुकुंद सर असतील किंवा सचित सर असतील, अजय सरांचे सुद्धा
Oh.
at
Yeah.
various points we always have met and we have heard their thoughts. So one thing is unconditionally common, that is mutual respect and love for each
Yeah.
other,
Yeah.
which is an exceptional thing in any
आणि
partnership.
कोरला ना म्हणजे बिकॉज आय डिड MMS, आय थिंक फंडामेंटली आय वॉज व्हेरी क्लिअर इन कंपनी लॉ देर इज अ चॅप्टर कॉल्ड सॉलमन वर्सेस सॉलमन. ओनर नेम इज सॉलमन आणि हॉर्स नेम इज ऑल्सो सॉलमन.
Okay.
सो त्याच्यामध्ये एक वाक्य होतं की पीपल विल कम, पीपल विल गो, बट
Right.
कंपनी विल कंटिन्यू.
Hmm.
So company is a different entity. Partners or directors or founders are different entities. आणि ते अगदी कोरून ठेवलं होतं. So from choosing the name, Expert Computer Systems, to now evolution to Expert Global Solutions,
Right.
we have meticulously followed this principle that above all of us is Expert Global.
Fantastic.
आय थिंक
म्हणजे-
त्याच्यामुळे मग कोणाला
Confusion.
हे नव्हतं. आणि अनादर प्रिन्सिपल आय इन्सिस्टेड वेन एव्हर न्यू पीपल जॉईन दॅट यू हॅव टू जॉईन एज इक्वल. ओके. अँड यू हॅव टू आय मीन जॉईन एज इक्वल पार्टनर अँड यू विल हॅव नो अदर इन्कम. All income which comes will come from here. Irrespective of our performance, everybody will get same salary, same incentive.
Right.
Wow.
Okay. So it was tough, but everybody agreed to that.
Fantastic.
And that is because then we got unconditional time for
Right.
everyone.
priorities matter.
Correct. So if somebody is joining and he doesn't have enough money, so if I have a share capital, convert that into loan. So reduce your share holding so that person can bring in that much money.
Correct.
And then company will pay back that loan with interest. So that is the rule which we follow.
Wow.
So I guess mutual understanding and trust.
Yeah.
These are the two big pillars of partnership.
Yeah, that is the beginning. But then strategy was that everybody is equal in terms of shareholding.
Yes.
Everybody is equal in terms of salary and profit sharing.
Mm.
So then nobody had any other job
There is no
or any
disparity.
other income.
Absolutely.
I think
Fantastic.
based on this, all these values apply to personal partnerships as well as business partnerships.
Business.
Any relationships.
Any relationship
Yeah.
by that matter. And on these basis, on these pillars, I guess Expertus has went global as well. Expert Global.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have an office in Germany and
Yeah.
US,
Thanks.
India. So these are achievements for Expert Global actually. So we would like to know more of Expert Global achievements, and we have achievements, but
Yeah.
they are incomplete without challenges, I think.
Correct.
So also some challenges which you face
Because
during
there must be
this
many
process.
in this whole journey.
That's a longer list, I saw.
Yeah.
As Medha said, it is a roller coaster ride. It's a definitely roller coaster ride. Again, I had no fear. When I never thought that I'll close this because we are not doing good, go back to work, take some job.
Mm.
Never. So I think biggest challenge in first 5 years was money. You know?
Mm.
Business was growing. You don't have cash credit limit from bank. Take personal loan. Give them higher rate of interest. But we survived through that. If salary comes, it may come once in 3 months. That was the situation for first 5 years. So,
Mhm.
then next 5 years, so I say first 5 years were years of exploration. We just explored.
Yes.
की business कसा करतात, entrepreneurshipचा E काय असतो. So, from there we began. Next 5 years were years of formation. We really started thinking that where we want to go, what do we do. So in 1998, I made a proposal to partners that time that we should, if I have to step out, then instead of going to Bombay, Pune, I would step out to US because
Okay.
money can be made only in Europe or US, in Western world. And Narayan Murthy's one sentence also, was influential in making that decision. Narayan Murthy ना कोणत्याच प्रश्न विचारला की how do you make money? He said we realized at very early stage that in India you can't make money. You can gain experience and go abroad and create wealth or create money. And we tried to follow that.
Yeah, so his
So
mantra was
the mantra is learn in rupee.
and
So
Earn in
earn in dollars and then spend in rupee. So that is the mantra which we followed. 1998 I did a course on SAP in Mumbai. I got a job in US. That was the strategy. That job घेऊन US ला जायचं आणि मग then save some money after 2 years and start a company in US and then start sending work here. So it was tough decision. I mean, to
Definitely.
post करायला 1 लाख रुपये मुंबईत माझ्या चुलत बहिणीकडे राहिलो. शी वॉज ऑल्सो ग्रेशियस कारण त्यांचं 1 bedroom अपार्टमेंट होतं. तिचे सासू सासरे सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर मी राहिलो. पण म्हणजे नॉट ओनली आर क्लोज फॅमिली, आर एक्सटेंडेड फॅमिली ऑल्सो होल हार्टेड सपोर्ट. म्हणजे बहीण माझी सख्खी बहीण नाशिकला असते, चुलत बहीण आहे, सगळ्यांनी असं भरभरून सपोर्ट. मेधाच्या खेरांकडच्या सगळ्यांनी कधी असं आम्हाला एकटं कधी वाटलं नाही त्याच्यामध्ये. सो 98 when I came back, then came the great recession. म्हणजे US मध्ये 98 ला प्रचंड रिसेशन आलं आणि ज्या कंपनीने जॉब दिला they were not asking me to come there. So I was worried की करायचं काय. मग एवढा फ्रस्ट्रेट झालो की म्हटलं आता जायचं तर आपली कंपनी ओपन करायलाच जायचं. सो आय रिजेक्टेड दॅट ऑफर कारण देर वॉज नो होप.
I remember the name of the institute, Carox
मध्ये केलं होतं.
अच्छा.
मध्ये SAP चा कोर्स केला.
So Carox Medha mentioned that I did course there and then got a job through them. But because of recession, the job was not going through.
Okay.
So then we decided, forget going through job. We will open our own office in USA.
Wow.
Okay.
And luckily we got a break in 2000 where first prospect was spotted through one of our contact. There is a company called Dehat Tooling, which is based in Hickory in North Carolina.
Okay.
And he was manufacturing cutting tools. So he wanted some support on setting up his IT infrastructure and also CAD or design part of it. So I and Ajay, we talked to all the partners and decided that we should go there and take a risk. So we literally took loan from bank and we booked our flights. We got visa obviously and we went to US.
Wow.
Without guarantee of any business.
Amazing.
And we stayed there for a month. I was taking care of IT infrastructure setup. Ajay was studying their manufacturing processes and design. And for doing the work, I got first dollar check, $2,500 check
Wow.
from that company. So we
Wow, what a
came back.
feeling it
Yeah.
is.
It's like this is entrepreneurship equivalent of मैं मुंबई जाके हीरो बनेगा.
सही बात है. So अमेरिका गए और
I remember that journey, like, you know, both of these went and they went by Jan Shatabdi to
Can-
Mumbai because yeah.
पैसे नव्हते
पैसे
flight ने
नव्हते
जायला.
ना. I remember Archana and I, like Ajay's wife and I, like, you know, crying on the station.
महिना
चालले आता समुद्र पार, like, yeah.
Wow.
But then we kept on going to US, Europe, multiple. Then we got a lot of opportunities, and then I again in board meeting I told my partners that if we don't go and start our company in US, we won't be able to grow. You have to take that risk. And then from 2000 to 2004, I was after Mukund that you have to come. You have to come. Unless you come, I won't be able to go to US.
Okay.
So if that doesn't happen, you are responsible. So finally, me, Sachin, Ajay, we went to his home in Pune. रात्रभर थांबलो, सरिताला पटवलं, मुकुंदला पटवलं, काकांना, त्याच्या बाबांना. Finally he said yes. Then he came and immediately within 6 months then we went to US. So we formed a company called Expert NetCAD Solutions. So we formed
Okay.
another company called Net and CAD's a combination. INC. Went to Atlanta. Selected Atlanta because US, right? There are some extreme weathers in north, and I thought if I have to take family, then they won't survive there. So, which is good weather. Then Atlanta, which is in south, and one of my friend who was 1 year junior to me, Sudhir Kamatkar, I had not met him after school. Okay, but I knew he is there, and then contacted him. He said it's a good city, you can come, and he and his wife helped. I mean, they are our patrons in Atlanta. म्हणजे एव्हरीबडी वॉज हेल्पिंग अस. म्हणजे एकही अनुभव नाही की जिथे
खरंच.
कधीही मला आजपर्यंत इफ आय लुक बॅक की कोणी आम्हाला सपोर्ट नाही केलाय. कस्टमर सपोर्टेड, फ्रेंड सपोर्टेड, फॅमिली सपोर्टेड, टीम एव्हरीबडी सपोर्टेड अस. वॉट एव्हर वी डिड वी गॉट सपोर्टेड फ्रॉम एव्हरी, आणि अनकंडिशनल सपोर्ट. आय मीन नॉट नोईंग एनीबडी. त्याच्या घरी जाऊन 15 दिवस राहिलो मी सुधीरच्या.
Wow.
म्हणजे सुधीरची बायको सुप्रिया, she drove him around to look for offices.
ऑफिस ऑल्सो. ऑफिस सिलेक्ट करून दिलं तिने मला, कारण माहिती नव्हतं ना. म्हणजे आणि ड्रायव्हिंग शिकलो, मग ते सगळं केलं. सो आय थिंक दॅट वॉज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. 2004 मध्ये आम्ही ऑफिस फॉर्म केलं. 2005 ला विथ फॅमिली, म्हणजे मेधा, मी, 2 लहान मुली आणि आई, आम्ही सगळे अटलांटाला
We landed up in it.
2 years were like my goodness, इतकं काम केलं. म्हणजे शी obviously we had to do the role division. So she was making calls, business development calls, lead generation calls. So every day 100 phone calls to Americans in their accent.
Yeah, that is a different
Maybe
story,
you can
actually.
tell
That
that.
was one of the biggest challenges of my life. I always used to think, I have, good command over English. I can talk to people, blah, blah, blah. But when we went there, I used to literally come out of that. So we had a one-room office, okay? And I used to come out of the office, stand in the corridor and make calls.
Right.
Because I didn't want Prashant, and we had an employee there, first employee,
Okay.
Ramaratnam. And I didn't want these guys to listen to my accent wala English. So I used to come out. But after some time, I did develop that confidence. And it was a great experience doing that. And that was happening for the first time in our company, I think. This
Lead
lead
generation.
generation kind of an activity.
Right.
Because up till then, it was only in Aurangabad, majorly that we
Yeah,
were
correct.
doing business. And in 2000 to 2004, yes, we had started doing business
In
overseas
Europe,
also.
Okay.
But a lead generation kind of thing was like, it was happening for the first time. And at that point of time, I told Prashant, I should have been a mechanical engineer so that I could, strike better conversations with people and, pull the conversations to a better length so that, I could have achieved more. But it was a very, enriching experience that we had.
So she
And-
converted how many?
Yeah, almost 60 leads in those 2 years.
Wow.
And yes,
60 meetings I got, and we converted almost 25-30
That's
It's a
huge.
good number.
real business.
real business. Yes.
Just in
So,
2 years.
yeah.
Amazing.
So we made a foundation. So being entrepreneur, I always believed, or it came naturally to me, that I should create something which is in uncertain environment. When I started seeing certainty, then I used to get bored. I used to see
Okay.
around, "कौन केला? माला किसके गले में?" Jokingly we say, but partners, I mean, they were skilled in that. Like, some people are good in creating something, but you cannot scale up.
Absolutely.
स्केल अप म्हटलं की मग सचिन यायचा. सिस्टम्स टाकायच्या म्हटलं की मुकुंद येतो. म्हणजे देन लाईक एनी नंबर इज ओके फॉर हिम. हा म्हणा किंवा 1 लाख म्हणा, त्याला काही फरक पडत नाही.
Absolutely.
आणि प्रवीण वॉज लाईक कम्प्लिटली डिलिव्हरी ओरिएंटेड.
Okay.
So it was a good combination.
Your partnerships itself, they were a good achievements for you. I think because everyone
And
had their
not just
own
for them.
forte.
It's an achievement. I would say for the region itself.
Yeah,
That
because they
sets up
had
an
their own
example.
forte.
Well, what you can create through partnership from a tier 3 city like Aurangabad
Absolutely.
itself is
Absolutely.
It's a very good
I
example.
agree
It's a
with
very
you.
good example.
Very good example. So 2 years we were there, and when we came back, everybody was asking us, "Why are you living in US? You are well settled. L1 visa. You can go apply for green card." But we were clear. I mean, again there is book called Good to Great.
Right.
त्याच्यामध्ये
Collins.
begin with end in mind.
Yes. Yes.
So so once decided, then came back because action was in India,
Right.
and then Sachin went. So he's good in now marketing and taking it ahead, and it proved very well.
Wow.
So Sachin went to US. He spent some time, and then
Mm.
US, Europe, obviously, we started growing. So when I came back here, then again, the turning point is we realized that India was now bigger market.
Mm.
Even for engineering services, CAT, and we were trying, but we were not successful. So what do we do? So I said, management मध्ये सगळे फंडा शिकलेले असतात. So why not acquire a company? I beauty said, what? Here just 50 or 100 people, and you are saying we'll acquire a company. म्हटलं बघू ना. So one company came to us, Da Vinci Engineering, किर्लोस्कर फॅमिली पैकी एकाची होती.
Mhm.
आणि first it came through an agent, and we met that partner. That time his turnover was good, about 4 crore, and about 100 or 150 engineers. So it was a good valuation, and it was pretty risky for us. आमच्या याच्यापेक्षा कुवतीपेक्षा मोठी उडी होती. पण नाही करायचं आपल्याला. आणि सगळ्या हा काय वेळा मागे लागतो माहित नाही दरवेळेस. आता आधी US सेटल होत नाही, तर आता परत ऍक्विजिशनचं मी काढलं. पण म्हटलं त्याच्याशिवाय आपल्याला तो त्या ऑर्बिटच्या बाहेर जाणार. आणि मी आणि मुकुंदनी खूप स्टडी केला. आम्ही निगोसिएशन्सला बसलो, आणि आय टोल्ड हिम सम व्हॅल्यू. नॉट अपसेट. ही हॅड सम डिफरंट व्हॅल्यू इन माइंड. 10-12 जण होतो आम्ही त्या हॉटेलमध्ये पुण्यातनं. तो असा हे करत तो निघून.
अरे बापरे.
व्हॉट यू थिंक? आय मीन, यू आर अंडर व्हॅल्युइंग मी. आय कांट टॉलरेट दिस. आम्ही होमवर्क केलं, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्ती देणं शक्य नव्हतं. Again, after 2 years back, he contacted us. He
Achha.
said, "Prashant, I'm interested." So I said, "I'll meet you only if you don't live in Bangalore." मग मी, सचिन आणि तो बसलो होतो. त्याच्या आधी ऑफकोर्स आम्ही फायनान्शियल होमवर्क केलं. आणि मग देन ही सेड, "प्रशांत, व्हॉट डू वी डू?" आय सेड, "वी आर इंटरेस्टेड, बट नाव सिच्युएशन इज मच worst."
It wasn't in a healthy situation.
Not at all. I mean, it was a loss-making company
Okay.
with negative net worth of about 1 crore.
Okay.
So, तो म्हणे, तुला what do you want? तो he was like desperate कि यार इसमें से बाहर निकल. तो बोले, I told him, see, you have 1 crore liability on you. If you close today, it is going to increase every day. So how much of this you will share? He didn't understand, or I don't know. I said, what? Yeah, I said, I mean, when we buy your company, we are as if we are going to put giving you 1 crore to come out of that liability. So how much share you will take? So I don't understand, but what is your proposal? I said 30% you should take a share. So literally, we bought a company at share, the book value.
Okay.
10,000चे शेअर्स, 10,000चा चेक दिला, कंपनी घेतली. And he had 30% loans in the company. So he said, we won't pay you that.
Oh my wow.
So once I did that, त्याच्यात एक स्टोरी आहे. सचिन अँक्शस असतो खूपदा, म्हणजे इज एक्स्ट्रीमली म्हणजे गुड इन पीपल कनेक्ट, आणि जिथे आमचं सगळे हे संपतात प्रयत्न तिथे तो जातो, तिथून तो ऑर्डर घेऊन येतो.
अच्छा.
Wow.
तर तो आणि मी होतो. तो म्हणे, प्रशांत आर यू शुअर यू वॉन्ट टू साइन दिस? म्हणे 1 कोटीचं लोन आपण कसं काय करणार आहे? मग मी म्हटलं नाही, अरे आपण सगळं केलेलं आहे, आता सही करतोय. आता त्यांनी मुकुंदला फोन केला. आता मुकुंद यू नो इज अ स्ट्रॅटेजिस्ट. तो म्हणाला, आणि लकीली होता तो म्हणे, मी काळजी करू नको सचिन, मी आता तिरुपतीला आहे, मी माझं कार्ड देतो, बालाजीला पार्टनर कर.
बाप.
रिअल
अरे
मग सचिनने येऊन मग सही केली.
I remember, like he called you outside, na, from the meeting room.
नहीं, सचिन गेला. सचिनने
हाँ,
फोन केला
हाँ.
की ये प्रशांत क्या कर रहे हैं यार, देख तू जरा. माझं आणि मुकुंदचं होमवर्क झालं होतं, so we were clear. But see, it was a risky decision. Our chartered accountant also told us that, अरे प्रशांत, your situation is not healthy आणि तुम्ही अजूनही काय करताय. हा, one more, friends, how much they advise. So, in many tough situations, we go to our friends.
Yes.
We go to Dinesh. Milind Kank, he had supported us financially. तांबोळकर फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. राम भोगले सर तर ते आमचे ऍडवायझरी बोर्ड मेंबर होते. आबासाहेब देशपांडेंनी आम्हाला बऱ्याचशा त्यांच्या ऑर्डर्स दिल्या होत्या. म्हणजे इन ऑल वेज दे वेअर सपोर्टिंग. सो तांबोळकरांना फोन केला की असं असं आहे, अशी एक कंपनी आहे, हा काय काय आहे. 5 minutes कॉन्व्हर्सेशन. मी सेट घेऊन टाक. म्हटलं, हो 1 कोटीचं ते निगेटिव्ह नेटवर्क आहे, घेऊन टाक. 5 मिनिटात कॉन्व्हर्सेशन संपलं. तर तिथे मग ते करेज
Wow.
आलं. वी टूक दॅट. But then Mukund and Sachin came into action. Mukund took care of all vendors, people. Sachin took care of customers. Literally एक कस्टमर होता ह्युस्टनला, एनओव्ही म्हणून.
Okay.
आणि सचिन spotted opportunity there. He made 10 visits to that customer in 1 year in US.
अच्छा.
Wow.
Yeah. And he ensured, and today that customer is like one of the top customers.
Great.
Wow.
Great.
Then there was another customer in Pune, आपलं Atlas Copco.
Oh.
त्यांचं
Complex.
हा, त्यांचं कॅप्टिव्ह सेंटर आहे. तिथे 10-15 का 20 लोक होते. टुडे वी हॅव 250 पीपल वर्किंग.
My
Wow.
God.
So we turned around that company.
Fantastic.
We had to put in about 1 crore to turn it around. And within 1 year, it was 100% return on investment.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
So,
Amazing stories.
acquisition, growth, anything between you want to add before I go to see more?
It's going fine.
But
So obviously all partners were taking efforts. In between, in 2012, Ajay wanted to separate, so he took one division, he separated out. Our chartered accountant V.D. Deshmukh, I admire him. He helped us through that tough decision. Ram Bhogle sir advised us very well. That, Prashant, don't get into any challenging situation. You are business people, focus on your business. You will recover from any situation. आणि V.D. देशमुखांनी बॅलन्सिंग करून he did मास्टर स्ट्रोक त्यांनी केला. आम्हाला दोघांना एका पेजवर आणायचं.
okay.
हाय क्रेडिट टू हिम. त्यातनं बाहेर पडलो आणि मग देन वी स्टार्टेड ग्रोईंग द बिझनेस. मग देन वी टूक प्लेस इन STPI. तिथे प्लॉट घेतला होता. तिथे मी परत की आता इथे आपण बिल्डिंग बांधायला पाहिजे म्हणे. अरे तू लोनवर लोन वाढवत जातो. सो माझं नाव काय ठेवलं तर माहिती पार्टनर लोनी बाबा. म्हणजे मी करोडोनी लोन घेतले आणि करोडोनी फेडले. माझ्यावरती कधीच प्रेशर नाही यायचं, कारण पार्टनर वरती यायचं.
म्हणजे आपल्या खर्चाने नाही आपण या सगळ्या गोष्टी करायच्या.
खर्चाने आपल्याकडे पैसेच नव्हते.
म्हणजे अदर वे ऑफ सेइंग इट.
नाव वी कॅन से दॅट नाव वी शुड.
पण म्हणजे when there are Fab Four, Sachin, Dravid, Ganguly, Sehwag, match is going to be one.
हा, त्याच्यात अजून एक प्रिन्सिपल मी नेहमी सांगायचो, कारण डल मोमेंट यायचे ऑब्विसली. सो तानाजी मालुसरेंचा आपल्याला जो एक्झाम्पल होता तो मी सांगायचो की मी दोर कापून टाकलेला आहे. एकतर कडावरनं उड्या मारून जीव द्या, नाहीतर शत्रूशी लढून जीव द्या. जीव जाणार आहे. आणि तो मी नेहमी सांगायचो, म्हणजे सगळ्या मीटिंग मध्ये सांगायचो. आय थिंक दॅट ऑल्सो प्रिन्सिपल.
म्हणजे नॉट ओनली टू पार्टनर्स पण त्यांच्या वाईफ्सना पण हा सगळ्यांना
हो, सगळ्यांना एकत्र करून त्यांना
मला डोस द्यायचा.
एव्हरीबडी वॉज अँशियस ना,
ट्रू
खूप अँशियस असायचं.
Absolutely.
कारण अरे प्रशांत पगार येत नाही घरी, घर कसं चालवायचं. मुकुंद took a very bold decision of leaving to
So after
Bajaj.
17 years of a regular
Income.
salary income,
Absolutely.
getting into
So
business.
त्यांच्या फॅमिलीनी सुद्धा
big change.
प्रचंड सपोर्ट केला.
Yes, definitely.
अदरवाईज इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. म्हणजे सचिन्स वाईफ भारती, शी वॉज ऍक्टिव्हली इन्व्हॉल्ड इन अवर ट्रेनिंग डिव्हिजन.
ओके
म्हणजे ते अनकंडिशनल म्हणतो ना आपण, म्हणजे ते
बिझनेस मध्ये तसे अनसेट सॅक्रिफायसेस खूप असतात,
खूप
ते
असतात.
लक्षात पण येत नाही.
कोणालाही कळत नाही बाहेरच्यांना. ते दिसणारे आम्ही 3-4च असतो, पण मागे जी फोर्स आहे ना, आमचे लोक. म्हणजे मुकुंदनी त्याला छान कॉइन केलं होतं की वी आर सर्व्हिंग टियर 1 कस्टमर ग्लोबली. म्हणजे डॅमलर, वॉलमेट अशी सगळे मोठे मोठे नाव फ्रॉम टियर 2 सिटी. आय मीन वी कॉल औरंगाबाद एज टियर 2. वर्ल्ड मे नॉट, बट वी फील टियर 2. But with tier 3 resources. Why tier 3 resources? Because if you have to hire talent in Aurangabad, cream goes to all TCS, Wipros, Infosys of the world. Then some go for masters, some go to another middle level company.
Yes.
आणि ज्यांना कुठेच काही मिळत नाही, they stay in Aurangabad. So serving tier 1 customers with tier 3 resources. I think that is the success which we have.
But this only makes a good team.
Yeah, thank you.
this is what we were going to ask you, as you rightly coined it out, ki from here we are serving the world. And this cannot really happen unless you not only you spot good people, but you also train them, you also make them attend the race. So हे कसं होतं? How did you make that happen? I mean, there is
Yeah.
this top layer team of all of you, the big fours, and I should say big eights, because the family is involved. And secondly, the other team that started coming in, that got trained under you. So this must also have been a tough task.
Yeah, it was tough. म्हणजे इनिशियली तर रॉ लोक घ्यायचो, म्हणजे दे हॅव केपेबिलिटी, त्याच्या पलीकडे काहीच नाही. कम्युनिकेशन नाही, टेक्नॉलॉजीचं नॉलेज नाही, त्यांना ते शिकवायचं, हँडहोल्डिंग करायचं. म्हणजे आमच्याकडे एक सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनियर होता, तो हैदराबादवरनं आला होता. म्हणजे आजपर्यंत मला माहित नाही की तो खरंच क्वालिफाईड होता की नव्हता.
Okay.
But we spotted that he is a capable person, network engineer म्हणून होता तो. So अशा रॉ लोकांना बरोबर काम केलं. आणि वेन पीपल इज टू कम अँड से दॅट की आय हॅव गॉट बेटर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी अँड आय एम रिझायनिंग, तेव्हा मात्र खूप वाईट वाटायचं सुरुवातीला, की म्हणजे तू इथे काम करते ते बेटर नाही. म्हणजे यू कॅन से दॅट आय हॅव हायर सॅलरी,
Yes.
नॉट बेटर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. पण ठीक आहे. मग देन वी रिअलाइज, मग मुकुंदनी सांगितलं की अरे एंटरप्रिनर म्हणून तुझा व्ह्यू वेगळा आहे आणि एम्प्लॉई म्हणून त्याचा व्ह्यू वेगळा आहे, जो मला कधीच माहित नव्हता. सो then we decided our one of the business variable is availability of manpower. So people will come, people will go.
Yes.
So we should have a pipeline of that. And then we worked on that. Continuously we are always having pipeline. म्हणजे मग ते आता तो कधीच चॅलेंज म्हणून घेत नाही आम्ही.
That is great. आणि हा पॉइंट बरेचदा मिस होतो.
हो, खरं आहे. ऍब्सोल्युटली.
And we have had examples of people of employees who exited, expert, came back, again exited.
तीन वेळा.
तीन वेळा जाऊन वापस येतात.
येतात.
And there are so many examples of employees ज्यांनी आता 25 वर्ष
हो, जॉबच नाही बदलला.
They have been here.
केलेत आणि they have been with us.
That's
So
okay.
we're really grateful to all such
All
team
such
members
people.
who showed faith and
Definitely.
trust.
We are
Because the foundation you laid,
Yeah, yeah,
इतकं वर्ष कोणी राहणं is not easy.
म्हणजे मी एका आमच्या आय थिंक 10th अॅनिव्हर्सरीला मी म्हटलं होतं की टेक अवे ऑल अवर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बट
Don't take away
डोंट टेक
people.
अवे पीपल.
People.
That is
We can build it bigger than this.
आणि म्हणजे असे म्हणजे प्रशांत स्पोक अबाउट पीपल बिंग रॉ, राईट. तर आम्ही लोकांना म्हणजे मग जर बाहेर पाठवायचं आहे त्यांना आउट ऑफ इंडिया काही कामासाठी, तर लिटरली त्यांना ट्रेन करून, की म्हणजे मीच घेतलेले आहेत कितीतरी त्या ट्रेनिंग, की काय बोलायचं, काय नाही बोलायचं, फोर्क कसा ठेवायचा. आणि तुम्हाला अमेरिकेत जाल, तुम्हाला स्वतःला स्वयंपाक करावा लागणार आहे, स्वतःची कामं, म्हणजे या लेवल पर्यंत आम्ही लोकांना ग्रूमिंग करून तेव्हा गोष्टी केलेल्या आहेत. सो
But don't you feel that taking up raw people and training them is a much better job than अर्ध्या हडकुंडाने जे पुढे होऊन येतात त्याच्यापेक्षा.
नाही आता कसं आता तर वी हॅव ग्रोन टू सच अ लेवल दॅट
Now
वी
it
हॅव
is
टू टेक
different.
पीपल आणि आवर मॅनेजर्स नीड टू मॅनेज
Yeah, that is
पण दोन्ही वर्क करतात पण म्हणजे ज्याला अर्धवट नॉलेज आहे तो तर
Absolutely.
That's a dangerous.
That's a-
no two opinion about it. 2015 we kept on exploring how do we grow. So 2011 if you remember there was a global Maharashtra conference
Yes,
in Aurangabad and I had conducted one day session on IT. And 14 various speakers we got. आणि पूर्ण एक दिवसाचा मी हट्टाने मी की नाही आयटीचा एक सेशन मी पूर्ण होस्ट करणार आणि 4 सेशन्स घेतले. त्याच्यामध्ये विजय रत्नपारखे म्हणून माझा एक क्लासमेट होता. ही वॉज मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ रॉबर्ट बॉश इंजिनिअरिंग
Okay.
सेंटर इन बँगलोर. तर त्याला रिक्वेस्ट केली. ही वॉज कीनोट स्पीकर आणि त्याच्यात त्यांनी सांगितलं होतं की नेक्स्ट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आर गोइंग टू कम इन automotive electronics, automotive programming and stuff like that. 2011. And then we started exploring opportunities there. And luckily we got one such opportunity through one of our friends to do software for Seymour Automotive. They were working for autonomous car technology.
Right.
So it started with piece of software to be upgraded to another platform. So 250 €चं पहिलं होतं.
अच्छा.
ते एका आठवड्यात केलं.
अरे बाप.
देन तिथे ओंकार आंबेकर म्हणून औरंगाबादचाच होता, आमच्या कॉलनीत राहायचा. सो ही वॉज वर्किंग देअर. देन मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ग्रेगर ही आस्क्ड हिम दे टर्न्ड इट सो फास्ट, हू आर दीज पीपल. तर त्यांनी सांगितलं की ही सेड प्रशांत आर यू ओपन टू हॅव अ व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्स. आय सेड आय शोड हिम अराउंड आवर ऑफिस अँड स्टफ लाईक दॅट. तेव्हा आम्ही T11 ला होतो त्या जुन्या ऑफिसमध्ये. आणि ग्रेगर वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड. ही सेड दॅट ओ दे आर गुड. मग त्यांनी एका माणसाचं काम दिलं, मग 5 जणांचं दिलं, मग 10 जणांचं दिलं. सो आय वेंट टू जर्मनी फॉर रेग्युलर रिव्ह्यू. आणि ही सेड प्रशांत डू यू हॅव अ मिनिट इन द इव्हनिंग. आय सेड या ऑफकोर्स लेट्स हॅव अ कप ऑफ कॉफी. कुठेतरी कॉफी शॉपमध्ये गेलो आणि ही सेज आर यू ओपन टू हॅव अ जॉईंट व्हेंचर.
Wow.
Wow.
I said, what?
Wow.
I said, yeah, well, of course, but what is it about? He said, I'm seeing lot of work in data engineering related to autonomous car, and I don't want to go to India, and I trust you guys. So, can we do that? I said, yeah. समजून घेतलं. Came back to Aurangabad. Mitali, you know, Mitali.
Yes, yes.
So it's her first job. I think she had a small stint somewhere. 2005 मध्ये ती आली आणि व्हेरी ब्राईट, व्हेरी टेक्नॉलॉजी पर्सन, व्हेरी बिझनेस माइंडेड ऑल्सो. सो वी बोथ वेर टुगेदर. सो वी सेड इट्स अ बिग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. बोर्डाकडे आलो. दे हॅड लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. वाय अस? वी आर सो स्मॉल, दे सो बिग. म्हणजे ऑटोनॉमस कार वी डोंट नो एनिथिंग. बट आय कन्व्हिन्स्ड. आय सेड नो, आय थिंक इट्स अ बिग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी, वी शुड डू. आम्ही लिटरली याचा ड्राफ्टच घेऊन गेलो जेईचे टर्म शीटचा. आणि परत गेलो तिथे, बोललो, दिवसभर चर्चा केली, ऍग्रीड ऑन पॉइंटचा. ड्राफ्ट रेडीच होता, त्याला थोडं मॉडिफाय केलं आणि संध्याकाळी त्याच्या हातात दिली. म्हणजे व्हॉट, यू आर रेडी? साईन तिथेच करायला लावला.
माय गॉड, फास्टेस्ट.
2016 we launched, we inaugurated that. Within 3 years, from 30 to 400, we ramped up the team here.
Wow. That's very
More
fun.
than 10 times the
Yeah,
group.
Then 2020 pandemic came. Every industry got impacted, and they were also in deep financial trouble. So he was looking for acquisition. So they got acquired. Then we negotiated. We said, we'll buy your share so that we continue with EC Mobility. In the meantime, we were talking to our second generation, and they were not keen to run this business. Then in board meeting, we decided that this is the right time for us to start looking for a partner who can take it ahead later.
Right.
So it was not to selling, okay. And we deliberated. It was tough decision, especially for both of us, because it's our baby.
Yes, definitely.
For others also, obviously. But then we finally took a decision. Then Sachin had met gentleman, and he told me that Prashant, probably they are interested. The name of the company is Alten. It is a French
Yes.
company.
Yeah, the Altain story.
Yeah. Second generation was not ready, but then we had connect with Alten. We started talking to them, sent our initial, and we told them that you can invest in us, you can dilute our
Right.
share. So they didn't say anything. We started that dialogue, and then they finally said that we are a very big company and you are a small company, so we can't have small equity partner. That's not our policy. So then we negotiated that at least for 3 years we'll sell you our shares in stages, and then that they agreed.
Okay.
So and then February 2020 pandemic came. So entire team was at home.
Okay.
Okay, we appointed EY on phone.
Acha.
We did all due diligence on phone.
Wow.
Okay. Luckily, 4 years ago or 3 years ago, we had implemented SAP,
Acha.
and we were very clear in our system. So 2008, when I came back from US, first exercise I did for 1 year is that to clean up all accounts. And I said, whatever is in our books of account is the reality.
True.
There is no out of balance sheet, arrangement. Zero. And that helped us immensely. Complete open and transparent. Okay. So Neha, who is our HR, accounts manager, heading our accounts, she was at home, I was at home, entire board was at home. सगळे आमचे टीम्स मीटिंग वरती ड्यू डिलिजन्सच्या मीटिंग झाल्या. अँड देन वी अग्रीड टू निगोसिएशन खूप काय काय सगळं निगोसिएशन ऑनलाईन.
Wow.
म्हणजे आम्हाला भेटता यायचं नाही.
हो.
आम्ही आमच्या परत आमच्या टीम्स वरती मीटिंग करून आम्ही व्हॅल्यू ठरवायचो. सगळ्या पार्टनर्सना मी म्हटलं होतं की तुमच्या काय अपेक्षा आहेत त्या मला तुम्ही इंडिव्हिज्युअली पाठवा, आणि आय एम ग्लॅड दॅट ज्याची सगळ्यात जास्ती होती त्याच्या 30% का 40% वरती आय कुड निगोशिएट
क्या? Wow.
व्हॅल्यू. आणि व्हेरी गुड कंपनी. म्हणजे वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट वी आर मर्जिंग विथ ए कंपनी विच इज सिमिलर टू अस ॲट अ बिगर स्केल, but very people centric company. Yeah, they respect us a lot. They give our example to all their group companies in every meeting. Today also we had a review meeting and they said we have to follow EGS cost model. That level of respect we got. After 3 years, we were to hand it over and come out. In December last year, त्यांनी बूमरँग केलं. म्हणजे आय सेड नाऊ आय हॅव टू गिव्ह यू चार्ज. हू इज द पर्सन? So they said we don't have anybody to take charge. In fact, we have a proposal that you take charge of our India operations.
अरे बाप.
आणि
Wow.
but then I said no. I mean, then we would have continued. But they're so nice people. Then we discussed and म्हटलं ठीक आहे, म्हणजे आता त्यांच्याकडे कोण नाही तर आपण कोणतरी शोधू देऊ, पण तोपर्यंत आपण करू. सो जानेवारी 2024 then I took charge of Alten India CEO. So instead of 1,500 people, now managing 5,000 people.
My God.
आणि it is unheard of. The company you acquired, त्याचा CEO
Absolutely.
India लेवलला. म्हणजे that trust we built. आणि त्याचं 100% क्रेडिट आमच्या टीमला जातं.
Wow.
म्हणजे वी आर ओनली डायरेक्टर्स, पण त्यांच्या पूर्ण मेहनतीशिवाय, कमिटमेंट शिवाय, कस्टमर कडे डिलिव्हरी कन्सिस्टंटली ऑल द टाइम, इंटरॅक्शन्स जे करतात ते आर ऑल सो कमिटेड.
Amazing.
म्हणजे काही काही वेळेला तर मला वाटतं की त्यांची आमच्यापेक्षा जास्ती कमिटमेंट आहे कंपनीला. इतके भारी लोक आहेत, एक से एक, म्हणजे सगळे.
Fantastic.
म्हणजे ऑल
आय थिंक ऑल ऑफ दोज पीपल आर ऑल्सो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, कारण
Yes.
स्वतःची कंपनी समजूनच ते
समजून.
काम करतात. ऍब्सोल्युटली.
आणि माणसांची कंपनी चालवणं म्हणजे यु नो पीपल मॅनेजमेंट इज द ट्रिकीएस्ट वन. माझा एक रिलेटिव्ह आहे, तर मध्ये त्याचा फोन आला मला, प्रशांत काय कसं चाललेलं आहे? म्हटलं, काय नाही, आता 1000 लोक झालो. तर त्यांनी ड्रायव्हरला म्हणे थांब जरा बाजूला घे. तो म्हणे प्रशांत इथे मी साक्षात दंडवत घालतोय म्हणे. कारण माझी त्याची मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कंपनी होती आणि 50 लोक होते म्हणजे त्याच्यातच माझा जीव दिलाय तो. 1000 शक्यच नाही म्हणजे. सो पण पीपल आर नाईस कमिटेड म्हणजे आपल्या इकडचे काय पुण्याचे काय कुठेही जा जगामध्ये आय थिंक पीपल आर नाईस इफ यू आर नाईस इफ युअर कॉन्शियन्स इज क्लिअर आय थिंक यू गेट दॅट काइंड ऑफ पीपल. सो दॅट्स हाऊ इट वॉज द टफेस्ट डिसिजन ऑफ माय लाईफ. म्हणजे मला आतापर्यंत मी कधी असं शेकी झालं नव्हतं पण ज्या दिवशी आम्ही ते साईन केलं त्या दिवशी देन वी वेर इन टीयर्स की अरे आता हे खरं होणार
We
आहे.
can really understand.
पण इट हॅपन्ड एट अ राईट टाइम कारण आम्ही आता वी आर निअरिंग 60 सम ऑफ अस आणि इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट यु नो जे आम्ही रोपटं लावलं एक काही लेवलला आणलंय त्याची व्यवस्थित काळजी घेणं गरजेचं होतं. इट इज गुड फॉर द रिजन. You know, now we are part of multinational. Alten is present in 116 countries.
Okay.
More than 58,000 people. Automotive, aerospace, industrial engineering,
Wow.
healthcare, energy, all things. So, I think. So, yeah.
I think-
शेवट चांगला होतो.
It's a new beginning.
नवीन
Yeah,
खरंच.
it's a new beginning.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It-
आणि या सगळ्यातला ना एक महत्वाचा कॉम्पोनंट मला आता बोलता बोलता जाणवलं की राईट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग वी वेर समहाव माहित नाही वी वेर सोशली व्हेरी कमिटेड. म्हणजे 1996 मध्ये वी स्टार्टेड संगणक प्रज्ञा फॉर कम्प्युटर एज्युकेशन फॉर स्टुडंट्स फ्रॉम स्लम.
Okay.
Okay.
Along with Dr.
Dr.
Reddy.
Reddy Awards.
Oh.
Yeah.
तिथनं काही काही मुलं तर म्हणजे US ला वगैरे गेलेली
अरे
आहेत
वा.
झोपडपट्टीत.
ग्रेट.
Oh.
आणि मग नाव यु नो CMI, CII, औरंगाबाद फर्स्ट, औरंगाबाद डेव्हलपमेंट, ऑल वी आर कम्प्लिटली कमिटेड. कारण आम्हाला नेहमी हे वाटतं की या इंडस्ट्रीनी या शहराने जे दिलंय त्याची परतफेड होऊच शकत
खरंच.
नाही. शक्यच नाही.
Mm.
म्हणजे कुठेही गेलं वाळूज मध्ये आज तर ते
म्हणजे
वेलकम ऑफ विथ ओपन.
सगळे आमचे क्लायंट्स कस्टमर्स लाईक आम्ही वी आर सो ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल ऑफ देम.
All of them.
प्रशांत तर नेहमी म्हणतो म्हणजे मी प्रत्येक ट्रेडर कडे गेलेलो जेव्हा बिझनेस सुरू केला.
प्रत्येक ट्रेडर
एवरी ट्रेडर ही
नाही प्रत्येक इंडस्ट्री
इंडस्ट्री ट्रेडर
वाळूज
ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ
गाव सगळे इंडस्ट्रियल
Enterprises.
मला असं वाटतं की यू आर अ व्हेरी गुड एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द हिंदी प्रॉब्लेम ते ये आते का कारवा बनते
साथी मिलते
Good friends and support, yeah, certainly.
You were fortunate enough that you were always surrounded by good people,
Good
and good
people.
people
Yes.
always bring us
If we do good
Good
people,
vibes,
also
yeah.
good to us.
Good vibes.
Exactly.
True.
Great, I should say. But that's great.
त्याच्यामुळे ते समाधान पण आहे की आपण म्हणजे यु नो थोडी फार का होईना परतफेड करू शकतोय म्हणजे काही ना काही पद्धतीने.
And it is everyone's responsibility.
Yeah,
Actually, it
तो
always starts with us.
म्हणजे एम्प्लॉयमेंट आहे म्हणजे सगळ्यात मोठं की इथल्या हजारो लोकांना एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिळाली
Mm.
ती तर सगळ्यात मोठी आहे. पण शहरासाठी पण आपल्याला काहीतरी contribute
Giving
करता
back to the society.
Giving back.
Fantastic. So, Medha ma'am, Prashant sir, has been a great interaction today.
Definitely.
We got to learn a lot, and as I said, that these myths which are there in the society, that partnerships might not work, partnerships don't work, and relationships in between
Yeah.
partnerships don't work at all. So you have defied that, you
Yeah.
have proven them wrong, and as we mentioned, exception itself has become a rule, which is now a motivation for anybody like us who is from the newer generation. Lastly, I always wanted to do that in Rajat Sharma style.
मला माहिती आहे. Rapid fire. Tricky.
थोडासा बनवायचा.
Corner.
Very
बिलकुल.
So आता आम्ही एकमेकांबद्दल त्यांना विचारूया.
so. I guess let's start with you.
Okay.
So, what do you think? What is her driving force in life? In her life?
Driving force in her life is to lead a very good, honest life. म्हणजे जे काही मिळतंय ते भरभरून जगायचं इज हर ड्रायव्हिंग.
आता मला विचारणार आहे तोच प्रश्न.
तुमचं उत्तर
नाही ना?
तयार आहे का?
नाही
नाही,
मग
तुम्हाला
नाहीये
थोडा
तुम्हाला.
अजून अवघड प्रश्न विचारतो.
विचार.
सो यू हॅव बीन अ बिग बॉलिवूड फॅन.
Yeah, I am.
व्हॉट इज हिज फेवरेट मूवी?
I can tell you about his favorite actresses.
Okay. That's more interesting. Let's talk about that.
तुझ्याकडनं गुगलील वाटला तर ती
So I can tell you about his favorite actresses like Neetu Singh,
Oh wow.
Deepti Naval,
Okay.
Kajol. Yeah, these. I am missing out. No, I'm missing out one person. Nantar Sana.
Okay.
Her favorite movie.
her favorite movies are many. म्हणजे one movie she can see 10 times, 20 times. I get bored, but she can see unlimited times.
Okay.
So one she saw recently was Sholay.
अरे बापरे.
Flight मध्ये.
पण आय थिंक जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, त्याच्यानंतर 3 Idiots,
Okay.
I'm happy he's remembering names like.
Wow.
नंतर स्वदेश, अशा खूप आहेत तिच्या लव्स, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, अशा भरपूर मूवी
It is-
हिडन फिगर्स
हा, Hidden Figures is also very good.
आणि राधिका आणि विशाल.
किंवा काय लिगली ब्लॉन्ड
I like this.
किंवा
So-
मिसेस ज्युरिन.
Doubtfire.
Doubtfire.
Outfire. 420.
But the English version is like it's
Ah,
awesome
that's it.
movie.
That's it.
Like I don't think the Hindi version really
Yeah.
matches up
पाहायला
to.
गेला.
It is good. It is good.
You haven't seen the English
I haven't
version?
seen.
I have.
You have seen. It's like
ओव्हर
class
द एज,
apart. Yeah.
ओव्हर द एज पण खूप छान.
मुलांना दाखवू शकतो over the hedge, but it's like truly good movie.
Yeah.
आणि राधिकाचं फेवरेट पॅरेंट कोण? विशाखाचं.
Oh my.
हा.
I'll say. Yours truly. No, it's not like that. Of course, girls love their fathers.
Ah, yeah.
I was about to ask the same thing.
Of course, like trivial matters, like day-to-day matters, it's me. But it's very important matters, it's him. So, yeah.
That's great.
And what do you think about your employees here? The people who work with you. Who is their favorite boss?
Favorite boss.
I have never been the boss here, so yeah.
That's why you are the favorite.
He gives us the pressure, na? Also the risks.
I think he is like he's a popular boss. Yeah, because he allows people to be. Yeah, and he allows people to gives them all the flexibility and the freedom to do things
Right.
and take initiatives. So I think he is a popular boss. So when he became the Alton CEO of India, people here were very happy.
Oh.
Because now they didn't have to,
Very
get along with a new person, but they were happy that it was Prashant. They had to,
Both ways.
get along with it. So he's a popular boss, is what my
That's great.
understanding is like.
Fantastic. So, मेधा मैम, प्रशांत सर, अगेन लास्ट इन रजत शर्मा स्टाइल, हमने आपसे कई सवाल पूछे, तरह तरह के सवाल पूछे, आपने सभी का बारीकी से जवाब दिया. थैंक यू सो मच. इट वाज अ वंडरफुल इंटरेक्शन.
Yes.
Yeah.
और बहुत मजा आया.
Yeah,
Lots
same.
of that.
Wonderful.
Yeah. सही में बहुत मजा आया.